Is that blue?
Is it blue?
Looks exactly as the one you're carrying.
I
Okay.
think that's blue. Drooling, sleeping.
Does he
That's
smell
blue.
like cheese?
He does smell like cheese, yes.
Does the other blue
Alright.
smell
Oh,
like cheese?
a bit.
Can somebody get a
Which one has the
marker?
stronger stronger cheese?
Can we
Roby, a
just try
cheese
and
check,
shake him awake?
perception check.
Cheese check.
Cheese check.
You shake him awake. Nope. Yeah, this sounds smells a bit more
Okay, I
cheddary.
this
Just
is a
in
stronger
case.
smell. I think
Yeah,
this might be our blue.
That's
maybe
our
we
blue.
should try to tie him up as well, just in case
Uh,
he's
yeah.
another.
Wait, no. Just in case, I'm gonna get a charcoal from my bag, and I'm gonna write a 0 on the sleeping blue or the unconscious blue on the floor, and a 1 on the blue that I casted a spell on.
Wait lang. You're gonna the one sleeping.
The one that I casted a spell, I'm gonna put a 1.
Okay.
Um, and then on the blue that's lying unconscious on the floor, I'm gonna put a 0.
Oh.
Just to mark him, just in case. I've seen Mexican standoffs, and it's just kind of this is gonna be one of those.
Sorry. I think it's standoffs. Okay. Can we try to wake him up?
Can I punch him? Can I punch him in the face?
You
Why
guys
is
can
that your solution
do
to
so.
everything?
Punch him in the
It's a
face.
good solution. How do we come up?
You're a wizard.
Can I
I'm-
try
Wizard
shaking
Holly.
him on the shoulders?
Wizard Holly.
Holly, you're a wizard.
Ollie!
Yo, a wizard Holly. All
Yeah.
right. While they're doing that, I'm gonna go to Jin, and I'm gonna pull the vial, not the one that we found in the basement, the one that God gave me, and I'm gonna give it to Jin. Jin, this should help make you feel better. If you're there, Jin.
Oh, sorry. Yes, are doing.
Ava was giving the antidote to that God gave her to Jin.
Okay. Thank you. I'll use this. Thank you. I'll use this.
Not injured anymore. Not injured.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you. Thank you.
no.
Oh no, I got this. Thanks, guys. Now I won't be injured anymore.
Mm.
Sounds exactly like not blue.
Not blue.
God.
No, chick.
Okay. What do you guys do?
tried to
I say
shake
we just kick
Blue.
him awake.
Yeah, slap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Blue does not seem to be sleeping.
Can I press my ears against his like chest and see if there's a heartbeat?
There is
Just
no
use
heartbeat.
my body like
Whoa.
that. That's fucked up.
There's no heartbeat.
There's no heartbeat. Is
Oh.
he dead?
Do you have any potions to revivify anyone?
I have no potions.
I don't. Shit.
God, why don't we have a fucking cleric?
Can I do lay on hands on him or whatever my healing thing is?
I mean, you can try.
Let me open.
How
my-
much healing would you give him in case?
Let me just double check. I need to pop out my thing. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. I'll do my level. Also 15. So I'll do 10.
Healing, no response.
I
Shit.
do the rest of my healing, like my last 5 on him too. If anything happens.
No response.
Fuck.
That's all my healing.
Can I inspect him? Try to see if there's something that I can do.
I'd like to do a check. Um. I'll tell you guys this. Uh, you guys know that uh, Blue is currently dead.
Oh,
Dead, like
Holy
dead,
what?
dead.
Do we have revivify or any potion?
Absolutely nothing. Fuck. How about we run out of here?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do
Run
that.
to
Oh,
uh.
just gonna
Did you
clear.
obliterate him?
Then
Someone's really mad at their keyboard.
Can I try to check the number one blue if it has a heartbeat?
It also does not have heartbeat. 'Cause it's made of wood.
Ooh, what if we put them beside each other? Maybe something happens.
what if we bonk their heads together?
Yeah, put their hands together like those.
Freaky Friday this shit.
Oh,
Um.
gonna do that?
mm,
I think that's what we should do. Put them together.
Wait, what are we doing? Bumming their heads together?
Wait, are there any runes in the room?
Any
Something,
more what?
any
Runes?
runes or whatever,
Okay.
any
Uh,
markings?
make me perception checks, everyone. To try to investigate the contents of the room.
Nah, I just want to bump their heads together.
You just smack them together.
I'm
Okay.
passed out dead and y'all use my
Revivify.
body. Oh my gosh.
Revivify.
just
Okay, with
fucking
the
mangling Blue's
17
body at this point.
and the 18, you see a doll inside the dollhouse.
Oh, bitch. What does she
What
want?
the hell is
What
that?
the fuck was?
What's in the? Oh, that was that a doll on
What's
the
that
inside of that?
keyboard sound? It's so loud.
It is the doll seems to be trying to get your attention. Thus the sounds.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought someone was like, I don't know. I thought someone was like making a fucking martini somewhere.
I definitely was doing it on purpose without saying anything. I did it for like 5 minutes
It's
straight.
so
No one said
loud.
anything, and then Eva's just like, "Somebody's really mad
I
at the
thought-
keyboard." That's why I did even harder. Like, yes, notice it.
I thought it was just SJ. I didn't know it was part of the fucking.
Yeah, I
I
thought it
was-
was the fucking clumps in your fucking Milo.
No, I'll explain this later at the end of the session. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I run towards the dollhouse, and just take the doll from the dollhouse and like shake it.
Just shake it. What the
What
fuck
the fuck is wrong with you?
I stand by the door to
Oh
like
my
keep it like.
Good God.
Yeah, let's
Lock.
close the
Passing
door
out.
first.
I mean, Jin's in the other door, so that's fine.
Just
Okay.
outside.
The doll is pointing at the body. At this body.
Jake, can
He's
you
trying
write?
his best to communicate.
Um, can I see any pen or crayons in the room?
I asked the doll if it knows how to write.
Wait, what's your?
Does it respond at all? Does it nod? Can it nod?
It cannot nod, but wait, now let me see.
It cannot
nod.
nod.
It can its head can only go side to side.
Oh,
Okay.
alright.
Turn your head
Um,
to the left if you think that.
How about like shake your head and nod your head? Can you do that? I'm gonna talk to the doll.
Can you? Okay, so turn your head to the right if it's yes. Turn your head to the left if it's no. Is that you, Blue?
Um, no, personally, I don't remember what he said, so I'm just gonna turn my head to the right.
Yes, that is blue.
Okay.
Oh god damn it, Blue!
Oh
We
my
thought you
God.
were dead. How do we put this? What's happening? How do we put it back?
Blue, do you know how to reverse whatever happened to your body?
Um,
Wait.
It's like a communicator. It's like a middleman.
okay. Since yes. Just pretend I'm turning my head in whatever direction.
Yeah.
Can
Do
you show us
need-
how?
I
Can you-
doubt we can.
Yeah. Can you go
Um,
to wherever?
Am I able to walk? I can't
I
move,
mean,
can I?
if Holly lets you go, you can move the doll.
Oh, I
Yeah,
can move the
I'm gonna put the doll down.
Okay.
All right, Pinocchio, do your thing.
He's a real boy.
Not quite.
What's happening?
Blue?
I guard the door.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Um, I guess. Uh, I walk out the door. Yeah.
God fucking
Wait,
damn it!
no, the door's locked.
What? Oh, it's locked.
Yeah. We have it like we want.
Barricaded.
Yeah.
Okay. I point at the door.
What do you want?
Why?
Oh.
Why are you trying to leave?
Oh
We
my
should let
god.
it out.
Are we
Wait,
even
hold
sure
on.
that's blue?
Yeah.
It's
Hold on.
lying.
Hold on. Okay, you little
That
fucking.
torch.
I'm pointing at the fucking door. Alright, you little fucking puppet. Um. Is the name. Wait, is the name of one of your cows kill person? Yes or
I
no?
point my head no.
Is the name of your cow kill bastard?
I point my head yes.
Alright, that's blue.
Okay.
Okay, let him
I
out.
point
Let
at
him
the door.
out.
I point
Wait.
at the door.
Okay, I'll let him
I'll
out.
try to
We let him out.
carry the
Stand it.
dead body. So
We carried.
with us.
Which one? Which one?
The zero.
I carry one.
Zero body. I carry
How
the
about the
zero
one?
one.
I carry one.
Okay, sure.
Can I have vision on this doll? Because I cannot see where I'm going.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Also,
You
I
should
just want
have
you guys to know
one
I'm
by
shaking
now.
a box of dice.
Yeah, I have
That's
one
why it
with
was
me.
very familiar.
It is a
I thought
box
he
of
was just
dice.
wailing on his fucking keyboard.
No, I don't want to kill my keyboard like that.
Exactly. That's why I was begging you to stop. I thought you were wailing on him.
All right. I go down the stairs.
We go down the stairs.
Where are you leading?
Okay, we
Are you
follow.
taking
Okay,
us?
wait lang. I will move you guys. I'll move you guys. I'll move you guys. Wait.
Wow.
Oh no.
So you having too much fun with this session?
I've had too much fun. I've had too much power.
Too much power.
He has the power.
Oh.
What was
Wait.
happening? Oh.
You guys are in the middle, don't worry.
Look at us with our emojis on that side there.
Okay.
I want to go in this room.
Just
Okay.
keep following Blue Doll.
I point at the fireplace. And
Oh hell
This is the place with a hand.
no. Yup.
Do we sacrifice the body of the fake blue?
Oh, I gotta make us.
Oh,
Do we burn it?
A fire. Is there wood in the fireplace?
There is.
Ava
Wait,
can cast
did the
fireball
doll
at the
say yes
fire.
or no?
Oh, wait lang. You're going to cast firebolt at the
Yeah,
wood.
on the wood.
Okay. Lang. Production value.
Ooh.
Production
Hell
value.
yeah.
He burns your computer.
It's a blowtorch.
There you go. It is now currently lit.
it's lit.
Oh.
All right. Can I do the thing I said I wanted to do?
Sure.
Okay. So I dramatically look at all of them in the eyes, one
What
at
are
a
you
time,
doing?
and
The fuck?
I stare at them and walk backwards into the fire.
What the
What?
Wow.
Oh my
I trying to
God.
reach. I fucking trying to reach for Blue.
Okay.
Water. I look for water. Where's water? Where's the water?
The doll burns to death, and then this blue awaken.
Which blue?
I'm looking for water. Still, I'm going to the washroom.
Wait, don't go alone.
I'm getting water.
Wait. Which blue woke up?
Number 1.
No,
What?
Wait, one or
One.
zero?
Wait, what are?
what?
Sorry, zero pala, zero.
Zero.
Damn it. I was hoping
Sorry,
they both woke up.
the numbering system is very bad here.
Uh, looking
Uh,
for water.
Oh shit.
well,
Are you okay?
before we do that, I'm gonna ask Ava. Ava, is that blue?
I don't.
I point my wand at blue. Are you blue?
Alright, before I say anything, do I have memories of being a doll?
Yes.
Like, oh my gosh, dilly dang, it took you forever to notice me. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I don't have a. I'm not a doll anymore. I can't take my thing.
Please stop. Okay,
Sorry,
I
didn't
should-
mean
let's
to
get
do
the
that.
fuck out of
Oh.
here.
Sorry.
Skirt.
Jesus Christ!
I didn't mean to do that. I was gonna draw.
Gosh, it was so dark and lonely. Oh my gosh.
You
Sorry you
what?
entered that. Skirt.
Emma,
You
this is your
feel like a
fault.
little girl. Me?
I was trying to hide, and then you shot the fireball in my direction, and then the freaking monster came at me, and I had to hide in the room. And then I tried to make a friend, and then the friend kind of.
Oh, I'm sorry,
I
Blue. I'm sorry.
will not explain myself. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Wait, what did we do with this fucking fake ass Blue?
I
If
carried it
it's
with me. It's here.
Like that.
shouldn't we just burn it?
That's not me. I'm me. That thing's a.
Blue, do you want a twin?
Well, I always wanted a brother.
Wait, what if we wake it up? I wanna see what happens if the other
Oh
blue
God.
Why don't we take it out of the mansion?
wakes. Yeah,
Take it
let's-
with us out of the mansion. It can have information on like who owns the mansion.
yeah. I'll keep it.
We-
I'll keep carrying it with me.
I look at
Well-
that thing really creepily.
Guys, help me with the couch.
No.
All right, let's
Jin?
all just fucking
No.
help him take the couch outside. No one owns this place. Let's
I'm
just take it.
dying.
Wait, this
Are you guys
is.
gonna bring the
Let's go.
blue number 2? Or no?
We put blue number 2 on the couch.
Yes, put blue number 2 on the couch.
I'm gonna be sitting on the couch to try and stop you guys from carrying it. This is the hill I'm dying on.
Oh, piggyback ride.
Okay. I'm glad you're back, buddy.
Okay, let's try to open that door, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone has blue number 2.
I have. Oh,
I...
I have blue number 2.
All right.
And
Let's
we're
get the
both
fuck
weighing
out of
down
here.
the couch.
Make sure I
Fuck,
think
fuck,
of-
bye.
Shit, everyone, let's go.
Right,
It
guys,
was-
exit. Confirmation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jin, take blue number 2.
Oh,
I'm
bye.
on the couch.
Jin, take the second blue.
Okay, he grabs
Oh.
the couch and blue.
Dang.
I can't carry the other blue. Sorry.
Okay, so the door opens, and you guys get spot out to the outside world. Woohoo!
Ah, finally.
That was an adventure.
that- After you exit, you guys notice that the estate is slowly turning into dust.
Oh.
Who snapped?
Fucking Thanos, man.
I'm not gonna miss that house.
Was that?
And then also, one thing you guys notice, there is thick mist everywhere.
Fuck.
Shit.
Fuck.
How long have we been fucking gone?
I will transfer you guys to the next map. One moment, please.
Dun, dun, dun.
Fuck.
This might medyo baka maglag kayo at this part, so you can turn off the effects if it lags, guys.
Yeah.
And then I will transfer you guys onto the next map at the center of the town.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Oh,
Whoa. Silent Hill.
is there any like?
Production value.
I played this game before.
Is there any like What do you call this? Like any like way to see if like time has passed? Like any indication that like time has passed?
There is no watches yet, so I'm not sure how you guys can I know that
Or like does
know
it
Shit.
the
that for
town look
sure.
like the same as we left it? Kinda like
It is.
okay.
Other than the ever, engrossing mist that envelops the town. Yes, it is the same. But
Let
please, everyone, make me perception checks. What you were saying, script?
oh we should get into a house.
Okay,
Yeah, I was gonna run to Nunya's place to see if she's okay.
okay. Before you guys go, even though the mist is very thick, Eva spotted something at the distance over here.
Do what? Is it a humanoid shape?
It is humanoid,
It is humanoid.
and
Ah,
slowly the mist seems to lighten up a bit, just enough for you guys to see it. You guys see this guy.
Oh gosh.
Oh god, it's Nosferatu.
Nosferatu.
Oh, how do you open that? How do you like show handout thing? Open.
Holy
I
mother.
I hate it.
Z, Z.
He's Neki.
You guys see him.
He is Nicky.
Oh,
Yes.
didn't mean to do
He
that.
seems to be dragging a body.
Guys, we should go.
And you
What's wrong?
guys see this guy. This guy. Wait lang. This, this guy.
He's yelling at your roll 20
Him, the
screen.
guy that I know. I
I
think.
know that
He
is.
is a local waiter at the bar, at the inn.
He is also very hot, I must say.
And he is also very dead,
Oh,
Oh, never
as he
mind
is
then.
being dragged by the neck.
guys, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
But we need to save him.
I don't think
Yeah.
there's any saving, anything to save.
And then you see this guy's dead.
Oh.
Jesus Christ!
We
That's the grandmother Willow from Pocahontas.
we have this.
And they both look at the doors from these two houses.
Do we know who lives there?
Sure. The one who lives here is an elderly woman. She often provides uh, services to the town as the tailor. This town, this part of the house is a family of four of a single dad.
Shit, we have to save them. Come on,
Okay.
can't leave them alone.
I'm dying. Guys, I'm injured.
The fucking Jin.
God. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna run towards the houses.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, wait lang. Go ahead and position yourselves around this area lang. Around this. Don't go beyond this line.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna
Make it.
climb up the roof.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
I'm trying to look for like window. We're trying to go in, right?
I'm still on Orthis' back.
Go
Also, is
here.
there a map right now, or is it just pure white?
Oh, there's a map.
If
There
it's
is a
pure
map.
white, try to refresh it.
I will refresh it.
Oh, what's Blue's health too? Is it still negative
It is full.
17?
Wait. You guys, after you guys exited the house, you feel rejuvenated somehow. You guys
Hell yeah.
actually gained a level. You guys are
Oh,
Hell
now.
yeah.
You guys are now level 5.
Guys,
5?
I'm injured.
Wait, I thought we were level 4.
Yeah, I
I
thought we were level
level
4.
3 before.
Shh, don't question it, guys. I want a free level. Come on.
Yes, you guys are now 5.
Hell
What?
yeah! Animate the dead for me, motherfuckers.
Ominous. Ominous.
Weird.
Oh,
Let's go
we
back
go
to that house.
fly,
Maybe.
boy. Boys, we
We've
go
been,
fly
we've been
tonight.
gone for like 2 years at this point.
Wait, actually though.
And
What?
then, before we start this, uh, this creature will point his fingers up towards
Do I see that?
Holly. Yes.
Holly?
And he will speak.
I cast Thunderwave. Fuck him.
And that is where I will call the session.
Hell
Ah!
yeah!
Nice.
Oh,
Uh,
shit.
God damn. Voldemort recognized me.
Oh, why?
God, oo nga, I have too many Harry
Oh
Potter
my god,
references to
Holly
be honest
Potter
lang.
and Voldemort.
Fucking
Harry
gotcha!
Potter.
We
Holly
will
Hell yeah.
handle ano lang, we
Potter.
will handle our leveling next week na lang para wala tayong masyadong gawin.
Are
We're
we
not playing
still
on the
on this
29th,
Sunday?
right?
No, next week, next week. So
The 5th?
September 5,
Oh
right?
god,
Oh,
guys. Our timer for the mist is up.
5 or 29.
Yeah, oh fuck.
29, I'm camping. So.
Nerd.
I see.
Okay,
26
so
though, like
September
if we
5.
if we do weekday again next week, I'm definitely can make it. Probably.
It's up to you guys.
We can
20
vote on it, di ba?
yeah. 28
If
To
we
20.
do.
works for me too on Saturday if it
No, they
somehow
have
works out on Saturday.
Saturday. They have the Saturday session.
Yeah.
Y'all just kick them out. It's our turn for
It's
this
Yeah,
our
fuck
episode.
it.
turn now.
This is what you get for not answering my Milo questions.
Listen, we have to save a town. I know you guys are in hell, but we have
Mhm.
some business to take care of.
Yeah. But if we have to do weekday, just let me know in advance so I can let my boss know.
Yeah,
Okay.
if we do weekday, I might not be able to do Thursday again because my kids are wild and I got beat up today. So
Oh, are you good?
Mm.
Did they
yeah,
punch you in the face?
they actually did. I had to
Oh
take
shit.
What?
half the day off because a child of 7 years smacked me upside the head so hard na hilo ako. So I had to go
Oh.
home.
What
I
by
had
what?
to go home
Did they use
early.
like a blunt object? Hindi naman.
No, no, it was his fist, but it was a very heavy fist. It was
Oh
like
God,
god.
he,
kids buff.
yeah, I was sitting on a chair, and then he was standing, and then he was throwing a tantrum, and I tried to stop him, obviously, and then he lifted his hand and like just slammed it on the top of my head.
Oh.
So rock and roll.
That's
I'm
Did you
okay
ask
though.
him? Did you ask him to square up?
Yeah, I was about to
Yo,
ask
pull
him
up,
if he
bitch.
square up.
Oh
Pull up.
no, I'm just seeing the creatures come
Bitch.
around.
Okay.
There's
Pero
more.
assignment ko na lang to those since tagal-tagal na tayo walang session. You guys pick your feat for level 4 and then your spells para I can prepare the effects pagdating ng
Hell
when
yeah.
we play September.
Awesome. Oh, DM, sorry. I forgot to ask last time. Do we do the Tasha's cantrip thing where we can switch to
Yeah,
cantrips?
sure.
Hell yeah.
Oh, love wizards.
No worries about that.
God, Brielle, we gotta coordinate our spells.
Yeah, you guys
I
need to talk
know.
about your spells then.
I'll PM you eventually.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. We got the same fucking spells.
Yeah, we really do. We'll coordinate. We'll coordinate.
Sure.
Oh,
Pero yeah, that's it for tonight. Hope you guys had fun in our
That was really
makeshift
fun.
session.
God damn.
so much fun.
This game is
Yeah.
fucking
Yeah,
stressful, but damn, I love it.
the dark blue arc is almost over.
I just want to say two things. First off, the only reason I started making noise was because I realized I couldn't trust you guys with my dead ass body once you realized it was dead.
Who would have left you alone?
But obviously, and then second off, I had no idea what I was doing with that fucking sussy blue. You know,
Sissy.
Sussy
uh,
Bluta.
DM would totally just give me a note, and I just ad lib everything.
Yep,
I.
that's very nice.
That was really
That was awesome.
good.
The
Can
rattling shit scared me.
can we
Uh,
roll for health before we go? Just so that.
Oh, hell yeah.
We don't forget that.
Sure, roll me. Wait lang. Slash or also there is a chance that blue will about to play two blues. Good guys, you didn't do that.
Oh my god!
You guys make
One
mistakes.
d
Oh no,
eight
there's two of them.
Holy shit! I
or
didn't see that there were.
greater than
Oh
five.
no, I didn't see
I
that.
brought the other blue with me.
Yeah, roll 1d8 or less than 5.
All right. I hope you guys are ready for more acting shenanigans.
1d8.
Uh, let's start with the squishy girls muna. You guys roll me 1d6. uh less than 5. And less than 4, sorry. 1d6
Less
less than 4. Wait lang. I'll
oh,
send the command
one
sa ko ba nilagay yun?
1d6 six.
Ay,
Ah,
my God. I'll put it on your group one Sundays.
right,
Less.
yeah. Wait, is that
There you
right?
go. This one. No. Put an R before the less than.
That's a nice color.
There you go.
Oh.
Roll again.
Yeah.
Ay, lista ko pala to. Okay, you get
Oh
10
yeah.
plus your con.
Yay!
Holly, roll again. So you get 6.
Woohoo.
So you get. No, wait.
This is why I roll my own dice. I can't fucking deal with roll 20.
Roll your dice na lang. Go ahead. I'll
D6.
take your 6 na
That'll
nauna.
be a 3.
Okay, so you get 10 plus con then. Same.
Hell yeah.
Next
Yeah.
up is Blue and Ortos. Please roll me this. I put it in the group one Sunday. Copy paste nyo na lang ngayon.
Am
Hindi,
I
sorry,
doing the
mali
6
siya.
or the 8?
The six, sorry, the 8. The 8 one. The 8. 1d8 or less than 5.
Copy,
Oh,
paste.
You get a 5. Sure. Roll again, Ortos. Ooh. Roll again, Blue. Okay. Si Ortos gets 11 plus con, and then Blue gets 15 plus con. Holy shit.
wow.
I'm a big frog now.
I'm
Skirt.
a big
There's
kitten.
also two of you.
True.
Dogs.
Skirt, roll me this one.
Uh,
Roll it twice.
roll it twice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh right, because we got our not vaccines. Our health.
I mean, hopefully you guys
Oh
get your vaccines too.
yeah.
It's because we're fully vaccinated. That's why.
We
Yep.
get the
Exactly.
Join the
5G.
5G club.
7 7 7 7 7 7 7.
So you get, oh, two sevens. Nice. So you get 14 plus your con.
My con.
Then, yep. Jin, I'll handle him na lang next week. So yeah, your assignments is either if you want to add a feat for your character or an ASI. For Orthos, uh, at level 4, you can choose to either increase your stats by 2, so you can add it to your charisma,
Mm-hmm.
or you can choose a feat.
As you can
Feat
see.
is a passive naman na I'll send you a link na lang
Okay, okay.
that you can choose on it. Ito yung main guide ko mostly pag nag-D&D ako. Go here, I'll send it on Roll20.
Level 4.
And then look at the feats part para makapili ka doon ng kung anong gusto mo.
What's the abilities for
Feats.
improvement?
Ability store increase is you can either put +2 to one stat, so you can put it to your strength or dex, or put one on each, so one dex, one con, ganon, pwede yun. Or put it into your feats.
DM, I was wearing the hat. Does it mean that I attuned to the hat now, finally?
Yes,
Hell
because you
yeah.
guys are out of town for at least a month.
Also, this is
What?
Spanish.
Yes.
God, Kill Bastard is fucking dead now.
Oh yeah, those cows are gone.
Uh-oh.
Owlbear probably ate them.
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
No,
Oh
believe in
Yeah,
Don
both.
Maximus the Third.
What if these are all the people? What if all these are cows and
Uh-oh.
animals?
These are the cows.
No,
Oh
my God
no, I
would
can't wait
never.
for. I mean, it kind of makes it more like makes sense because like in 2 weeks it would have been a month either way. So still, like, look at the people here. They're dead. What
It
if
would
everyone
make
here
me
is
sad.
dead? Ah, I can't wait
Uh,
2 weeks.
Then I'm skipping town.
So excited.
yeah, so that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the additions
That was
Good
Yes,
good.
job,
Good
that
job,
I
sir.
DM.
added.
you.
Good
That
job, DM.
sweet, sweet
Damn.
immersion.
Maximum immersion.
The
Hell yeah, good job,
horror, I
DM.
loved it.
Yep.
I
Thank
hated
you.
it. I loved
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I hate it, but it's also really fucking great.
it. Yeah.
So fucking great.
So
Naru
wait,
is hot, but why the fuck is he dead?
Yeah.
I have
You guys
one more
did it.
important question.
Hey,
Go ahead.
necromancy is a thing.
Oh yeah.
So is
Fine.
Spirit still cursed?
Is scared? No, it's gone when they when you
Damn
guys
it.
exit.
All right.
You say damn
Why
it.
do you sound so sad?
Because I saw him and I 100% just stabbed him immediately, no hesitation. You gave me power.
Yeah, we'll see
Whatever.
next week. We'll see next week. So yeah,
See
I guys
ya.
had fun. I like go to sleep na
Yeah.
pasok pa bukas.
Good
GG's
night.
and goodbye.
Good
Bye.
night,
Love
everyone.
it.
Good
Thanks
night.
for
Damn.
the
Thanks,
Bye
session.
guys.
guys.
Jin Earwig. Oh, gotta stop recording.